It is a diplomatic statement given by one of the member of the Union Cabinet. So you have to interpret it. You have to read between the lines. Why didn't you ask them about the resolution and the commitment of the parties who are in the government, including the BJP, which is part of the coalition? So this resolution is not adopted only by one political party. It's by a collective and unanimous decision that we have adopted the resolution. So therefore, what is their stand? What is their likely response to this resolution? You have to ask them. We only want that whatever was assured on the floor of the House by the government, they must aggressively follow it up and ensure that they prevail over government of India to agree, to comply what was proposed and adopted in the resolution.